All right.
No, it does.
All right, we're changing a wiper blade. We're going to see how easy this is. This one's pretty worn out. So as I told all of you, just take and you toss that in there and it pops right out. It's simple. It doesn't take much effort. And then you take, in this case, I got a Trico Exact Fit, just something I had in the garage. And all I'm going to do is go ahead and slide this thing back in here, snap it in, and there you go. It's not an exact fit for the edge, but it will work. It doesn't fit like the other brand that I bought. It has a deeper curvature to it. This Trico doesn't quite fit the same way, but it locks in and will do the same job. So I got the brand here. I'll post what the exact fit is. And then the Trico also, I could put that in there. But it's not an exact fit like the manufacturer. But, hey, I've done videos on this before. But as you saw, it didn't take much effort to pop it off with this little screwdriver. So that's as quick as it gets, folks. Hope you had a great day. It's raining, and me and LG are going to go back inside because LG's in her PJs and she don't want y'all to see her. So anyway, we'll talk to y'all later.
Yeah.
Bye.